Hi dear viewers, today I will talk about the most trending topic which is called Ozempic. Ozempic was used to control diabetes type 2, but nowadays Ozempic is also used for reducing weight after getting approval from FDA. What is Ozempic and who can use Ozempic? To reduce weight is a big challenge nowadays. People are trying to reduce their weight by doing exercises, dieting, and in the last, going towards the most expensive surgeries to reduce their weight. Ozempic is an insulin injection which can be used by obese people. Those people who have BMI more than 30, they are called obese people. Now, how to calculate your BMI? After this calculation, you will know that what is your BMI. The dosage of Ozempic is 0.25, zero point 0.5, 1 mg, and nowadays it is also available in 2 mg and 3 mg as well. Ozempic is just once weekly dose. Always consult your doctor, pharmacist before taking any medications. How Ozempic works in the body and how it controls your food cravings, it will be discussed in the next coming videos. So stay tuned, take care, and I will see you in the next videos.